In this video, I'm going to answer a question why my phone number is not accepted in Google My Business listing. I hope you have created a Google My Business listing profile and you have entered your phone number while editing the profile over here, but your phone number is not still accepted in Google My Business listing and it is showing pending status over here. Then why Google My Business listing have not accepted your mobile number? There could be several reasons, right? First reason is inconsistency. Might be you are having a business website or like social media handles like Facebook page, Instagram account, LinkedIn account, and you have inconsistently entered your phone number over every spaces, like on all platforms you have different numbers updated, you don't have consistency of phone number. That could be a possible reason that Google have not verified your number, because under review your phone number review has been failed, right? Because all platforms have different updated mobile numbers. The second possible reason could be like you have created multiple Google My Business listing profiles and you have used that number in other business profile. That could be also a reason, because a phone number cannot be of like multiple businesses, right? So I would recommend you to use separate business phone numbers for different businesses if you are like running multiple businesses. Apart from that, it might be also possible that your online credibility is still not built in the front of Google, right? You have started a new business and Google is not going to take risk of updating your phone number, because Google thinks that might be the business is not much credible, so it can lead towards fraudulent transactions or fraudulent activities also. So that's why for new businesses Google doesn't update the phone number immediately, right? It takes time to know about the credibility of that particular business on internet, right? So give Google some time, it will automatically update your phone number. Apart from that, there are additional checks that Google performs in India, if you have taken GST or Udyam certificate or utility bills have that particular same number, then also there are higher chances that your phone number will get updated in Google My Business listing. So these are some possible reasons due to which your phone number is not getting accepted in Google My Business listing profile. If you want to learn digital marketing course in detail, then kindly check out our video description. I have mentioned my website link over there. Just simply visit to our website, explore our digital marketing course, and you can purchase the course from there. Thank you so much.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.